When you dig a hole to plant tomatoes in your garden bed or container, it's a great chance to give them everything they need right from the start. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. They love rich soil, full of nutrients. By putting a few special things in the hole, you'll help your plants grow strong, healthy, and full of fruits. You can mix bone meal and neem cake powder into the hole. Bone meal is a natural source of phosphorus and calcium. Phosphorus helps tomatoes build strong roots, which is especially important during early growth. Strong roots support the plant and help it bear the weight of many tomatoes. Calcium from bone meal helps prevent blossom end rot, a common issue marked by black spots on the bottom of the fruit. Neem cake powder, made from neem tree seeds, works as both a natural fertilizer and pest repellent. It gradually releases nutrients and wards off harmful soil pests like root knot nematodes, giving your plant a healthy start. Adding a small handful of fish meal to the planting hole can also make a big difference. Fish meal is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the three key nutrients plants need. Nitrogen encourages lush leaf growth. Phosphorus builds strong roots and helps flowering. And potassium supports overall plant health, disease resistance, and fruit quality. Since fish meal breaks down quickly, it gives young tomato plants an early boost that helps them establish faster. Another great option is putting kitchen waste and Epsom salt into the hole. Kitchen waste like vegetable peels or banana skins enriches the soil with organic matter as it decomposes. This improves soil texture, making it looser and more nutrient-rich. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium promotes chlorophyll production, which is essential for capturing sunlight and driving growth, while sulfur helps form strong plant tissues. Use only a small amount of each. Make sure the kitchen waste is at least partially broken down, and limit Epsom salt to about a tablespoon per hole. For an even more natural approach, you can add worm castings and rock phosphate. Worm castings, which are essentially worm manure, are packed with micronutrients and beneficial microbes that enhance soil life. These microbes improve nutrient absorption, leading to stronger plants that are more resistant to disease. Rock phosphate is a slow-release form of phosphorus that supports deep root growth and improves flower and fruit development, both essential for a successful tomato harvest. One of the best additions of all is fully decomposed manure. Well-aged cow, horse, or chicken manure enriches the soil with a balanced mix of nutrients and trace minerals. It also improves soil structure, keeping it soft and moist. Ideal conditions for tomatoes. Just make sure the manure is thoroughly decomposed, as fresh manure can damage young roots. A generous handful at the bottom of the hole will feed the plant gradually over time. Each of these ingredients contributes something valuable. Bone meal and neem cake promote strong roots and protect from pests. Fish meal delivers quick, essential nutrition. Kitchen waste and Epsom salt enrich the soil and support healthy growth. Worm castings and rock phosphate boost root strength and flowering. Fully decomposed manure provides long-lasting nutrition and improves the entire soil environment. Even using just 2 or 3 of these ingredients can give your tomato plants a powerful start. With strong roots, thick stems, deep green leaves, and early blooms, you'll enjoy a healthier plant and a bigger harvest. More flowers mean more juicy, delicious tomatoes for you to pick and enjoy. Thanks for reading. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.